Hey everyone, it's Mr. Alex again. I'm going to walk you through Peer Card number 21, Laundry Sort, that can be found in your winter-themed Head Start Peer Book. Miss Terry and her son are going to demonstrate this activity for you in a few short minutes. So parents, the first thing you're going to want to do is first invite your child to help you with the laundry. Have them start by separating the clothes in different piles and talking about the different clothes that they're separating, the different colors and the different articles of clothing. Then when you're ready to start loading the clothes into the washer, have your child help you with that by handing you the clothes. But just make sure you're having that dialogue with them about what they're doing and what you're doing. Then when you're ready to start folding the clothes and putting them away, help your child do that by showing them and demonstrating how to properly fold the clothes or hang them up. You can even have them separate the clothes into different piles again, but just making sure you're having that dialogue about what articles of clothing and different colors. You could even have them count the different clothes in each pile. So now I'm going to turn it over to Miss Terry and her son. Thank you everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, Tristan, so today is laundry day and I need your help. Before we could do my laundry, I need to be able to sort this into different piles. Can you help me?
Yeah, so
How do you think we should sort the laundry?
by match.
By matching? Well, remember, we have your laundry and Mommy's laundry in here. So we can either sort it by color, put all the light colors in one pile and all the dark colors in another pile, or we could sort all Mommy's clothes into a pile and all Tristan's clothes into a pile.
I know a good idea.
Okay.
Sort red and green together.
Okay, you want to see if we can, so put a pile. You want to
and
do,
sort white and black together.
so you want to put all the colors in a pile and then all the white and,
white and black.
okay, so let's do that first. Okay, keep going. What else do you see in there?
I got
Would that go in the color pile or the white and black pile?
That would go in the red and green pile.
The color pile. All right, what's next? How about we reach way in here? What do we want to find?
Red.
What color is that?
It goes in here.
Is
anyways.
it, but whose is it? Is it mine? Will it fit me?
No, because look. Because this egg shorts out, so maybe it's mine.
Let me size it up to you. Can I size it up to you? So it's too small for me, but just right for you. So whose shirt is that?
Mine.
It's yours. And are we going to put it in the black and white pile, or are we going to put it in the colorful pile?
The color pile. Oh, these match because they're just red.
Oh, you found more red stuff to match it.
Yeah, because this one's just red, and also this one's just red.
Give me nuts. So we're going to keep sorting our pile of clothes, right, Tristan?
Yeah, but
And we're going to tell our friends goodbye.
no, Mama.
Well, tell your friends goodbye. See you guys later.
See you guys later.